Jamaica, man. You're Jamaica, me girl. We're just getting on the bus. Where we at?
We're going horseback riding. We're on a bus.
Where we at?
Jamaica.
We're in Jamaica, y'all. So we're on a bus. We don't know how long the bus can take to get to horseback riding. But we are in Jamaica for the first time. And not the last.
That's the part they fail to tell you. Like
Yeah, the
how
bus
long
ride.
the bus ride is. What if it's 2 hours away?
I've been on a 4-hour bus ride before. Yeah, so we're in for a treat. We're going horseback riding. I wanted to go to the jungle, but she's deathly scared of snakes. I wanted to trick her, but it didn't work out. She saw my itinerary. Itinerary, just keep it secret. Will you hit me? And we had to get some shoes. I had to get some shoes because you can't be barefoot on the horse. Yeah, nice little Jamaican souvenir. $20 each. Or they just sold us on it.
Okay, guys, I keep the tickets.
Now we're going.
Oh, do we have those things?
That's horseback. I'm looking at the trails.
Now we're about to go.
Yes.
And you know what the KFC stands for in Jamaica, right? It means keep from cooking in Jamaica. You know?
Ooh.
K for cancer.
KFC.
Yeah. Oh, there's a Starbucks too, babe. Oh.
We were just in the, like a little hour ride in a bus. And yep, our shoes are on. We're about to go horseback riding. You excited?
I can't wait.
All she wanted to do is go horseback riding. I wanted to go in the jungle, but she's scared of snakes. She said, do they have snakes here? Do they have snakes?
We have snakes but they don't bite.
So can we put it around her neck?
No. And you're not going to see any today.
Oh, none today,
They come from the
okay.
mangoes, so the mangoes eat up all of our poisonous snakes.
Oh, see the mangoes eat all the poison.
And I'm like, no, I don't want to go.
You're not going to see any snakes.
So beautiful. Okay.
Thank you.
So yeah, we're gonna be safe and go on some horses. No snakes this time. I'll save that for the boys.
Everything you're going to come.
We'll see y'all after horseback riding.
So we need to leave
Let's go.
quick again.
Oh, you got Hurricane. This is Hurricane.
Uh-huh.
And this is Blossom.
He has a girl, I have a boy. Thank you, Travis. Awesome, thank you.
Remember, for today, I'm going to be your tour guide for today.
Okay, thank you.
I'll be right
Woo.
back.
You like him? You like your horse, baby? You got a girl, just like you like to ride him. Blossom. I got Hurricane. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, my team. We're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking fine. Yeah, man.
I just want the footage. Rode one of them. Y'all find Travis, man. Find Travis out here, man.
Yeah.
We're in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. We just got off the damn horse, and we went through the water,
riding, you know.
bareback through the
Yeah.
freaking ocean. Where else you gonna do that but Jamaica, man? Come on, man. I'm in the front now. Anything happens in Jamaica, man.
So yeah, man, did you guys all have fun?
Yeah.
So now they say you guys already ate back there, so you don't need to go to lunch.
Oh, they lied.
They lied. Okay, I'll take you guys. Lunch is on me today, okay?
Let's get it.
I'm hungry.
Unlimited jerk chicken.
So, yeah, we're gonna go. You guys are gonna have lunch closer to the port. As you get back into Ocho Rios, that's where you guys are gonna have lunch. I'm not sure where yet. If it's still open, if it's not ruined by the hurricane. But in the meantime, you guys can sit back, relax.
Play some vibes, man.
Gotta leave the vibes cocktail for the parties in Jamaica.
Yeah. All right, yeah. That's okay. So what's side got hit the worst?
Where? And I think it's here. The eye of the hurricane went through by here too.
Man.
So further down the road, it got hit worse, way worse than here. It didn't go to Kingston side. It comes mainly to this.
Man, everybody needs to come to Jamaica, man. Right now, it's the most beautiful country.
Look at the water, babe. Oh.
Look at this, man.
Jeez.
Blue, man.
Let you drive the bus. You want a job, babe? He wants to ride around with you.
Have to go to the river and smoke some spliffs.
And then y'all drive around. And then y'all gonna drive around.
I don't think he can handle it in Jamaica. 'Cause in Jamaica, the left side is the right side and right side is suicide. These CJDs are crazy.
CJDs.
CJD.
So you gotta watch out for the CJDs.
Yep.
Crazy Jamaican drivers. We got crazy drivers everywhere. But hey, once you get a little bit of rum in you and a little, you know what I'm saying? Jamaican medicine. CDJ.
Hey, baby, what are you doing?
Jamaican me thirsty, man. Yeah,
What is
man.
this?
Yeah, man.
What is it?
Oh, bomba clock. So strong, man. Bomba clock. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. They're good.
It's electric. Boogie, 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 boogie. Baby, you gonna drive us back? Starbucks.
Anybody down for some caramel macchiato?
Yes.
If I wouldn't be out of a job tomorrow, I'd definitely go there.
What's your favorite thing to eat here?
KFC and jerk chicken.
Oh,
Yeah.
KFC?
KFC in Jamaica is way
I
different.
bet it's way different.
Yeah, preparation of it. They seasoned it.
Oh
yo.
yeah, Jamaican way is better than the American way.
The apple pie that you guys even serve in America, they don't serve that here in Jamaica.
JB.
Talking, but I still have to be on the lookout. Then over there, you guys can look to your right. You see that orange sign that says Scotchy? Known for jerk chicken. And it's right beside the herb house too, you know.
So you keep dropping
choose.
that name.
Just keep going back and forth.
Yeah.
Yep. You want to get high and then hungry and then go grab some chicken, then you can do that. But whichever you choose.
Rinse and repeat.
I was looking for the sign to show you like the gas prices here in Jamaica. Because, yeah, you can pay like $10 for a gallon. It's not like America where you pay $3 or $2 for it. Nah, it's Jamaica, it's different. And our prices are quoted in liters. They're both nice. They're both nice hotels. One is just tip free and the other one isn't. It's like customers, oh Joseph, you're so nice, I want to give this to you. They can't do it. If I collect tips, you lose your job.
That's sandals?
Yeah, that's sandals, yeah.
Yeah.
They say you're well paid, but yeah, hell no, you're not well paid. You pay me in Jamaican, I get some US dollar tips.
Yeah.
It's way better than what you give it to me. And that's the highway I was talking
You keep
about.
straight, you go.
All the way to Kingston.
Apparently the car went off the cliff.
That guy looks like the driver.
Which one?
The one that is pulling the
Yeah, in the brown.
Yeah, it kind of looks like he's picking up the pieces out there. I'm just assuming.
He looks a little drunk.
Maybe.
That shit fell out, man. That's crazy. Fell off the cliff.
The front is ruined.
Oh my god. We're here with Jojo Tours. Yeah, man. He just gave us all Jamaica, and we had a great tour, man. So, how long you been doing tours?
I've been doing tours for like, I'd say 7 years.
Okay, nice. Sweet.
People, you know, my main thing is to try to make everybody happy.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely, brother. Appreciate it.
Took care of us. He held our stuff.
And where are we at now? Where are we at? What?
We're at Ocho Rios.
Ocho Rios.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ocho Rios cruise shipping here.
Sweet. Yeah, man. We just had a huge tour, all-day tour. Now we're about to go back on the port. But we were so happy.
Interested in coming to Jamaica?
Yeah.
Jojo Tours is the first thing you can find.
Yeah, man. Find him on Instagram, Jojo Tours.
Ladies want to go see it. They want to go see it.
Yeah, man. Good to meet you, brother.
Get photo by that. Baby, how was the trip?
Incredible. We went horseback riding with the locals, man. Yeah, man.
Look at the water. It's so blue.
Looking amazing.
Back
Gotta
on the
come back to
road.
Jamaica, though. You gotta come back to the J-Way.
Yes.
Back on that boat. Let's leave Jamaica, man. God bless you. Also go horseback riding in the water. Let's get back on this boat.